Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Talk YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A17 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to add Google account to your device Samsung Galaxy A17 5G. First of all, open Google Play Store, and if sign in is asked, that means there is no account is sign in already. Okay, so what you have to do, click on this sign in button so that you can get into the options to sign in. Okay, yes, here you go to give the email id. So here just I write my email id, Durai Prince, and click on next. Now you have to supply the password for your email id. So here just I type my password. Yes, I have typed my password and click on next, so that it will be signed in, and it is asking for two-step verification. If you have enabled any two-step verification, just do it. Okay, so after enabling two-step verification, you can use the Google product service. As of now, I don't have Realme 6 Pro near me. Okay, so I uh, I close with the screen itself. Okay, so next screen will be directly going to the Google Play Store, and just you can use Google Play Store services and any Gmail services. Okay, any Google services, whether it is Gmail or whatever may be related to the Google, that can be easily used using this one sign in. Okay, if you would like to use more sign in like more email id, yes, you can do it. Okay, that's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.